Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. This video will guide you through replicating form fields to all pages in BoldSign. Replication of form fields is a feature designed to help users make exact copies of form fields across multiple document pages when preparing a document for signature in BoldSign. This is especially useful for maintaining consistency and saving time when adding the same form fields across many pages. This feature is available to all form fields in BoldSign. When a form field is customized and replicated, the customizations will be applied to all replicated fields. However, conditional logic customizations will not be carried over to the replicated fields. Imagine an HR manager responsible for sending course completion forms to employees. Each form has several pages listing completed units that need the employee's signature. To simplify the process without manually adding signature fields to each page, the HR manager uses the BoldSign's replication of form fields feature. This method saves time and ensures consistency in document preparation. Let me show you how to do this. I first log into my BoldSign account and click the Create New button. I then select the Create New Document option that directs me to the document preparation page. I browse the course completion document form on my computer by clicking the Browse button. Next, I add the recipient's details in the Add Recipient section. I check the remaining section and click Next. On the Configure Fields page, I first add the name and the email fields respectively. I then drag and drop the drop-down field for rating quality. I proceed to enter the drop-down options in the drop-down settings section. Since this field is required in other sections, I need to replicate it across all pages. To do this, I right-click the drop-down field, and a list of options is displayed. From here, I can duplicate, cut, copy, replicate to all pages, and delete. I select the Replicate to All Pages option, and the field is replicated to all pages of the document, maintaining the same position as the initial drop-down field. Additionally, all customizations made in the initial drop-down field are applied to the replicated fields. Next, I drag and drop the signature field. I then proceed to replicate it. Once done, I send the document out for signature. The signature request document is successfully sent out to the signers. Let us look at the signer's side. The signer receives a signature request email. When I click the Review and Sign button in the signature request email, I'm navigated to the signing page. Here, the employee needs to fill the required field. When I click the Quality Rating drop-down menu, the rating options appear. I select my rating, but the selected option in the first drop-down doesn't replicate to the other similar drop-down fields, since not all ratings for the available units are the same. Additionally, the form fields replication feature is only effective on the sender's side and not on the signer's. Next, I enter my signature in the signature fields. I finalize the signing process by clicking the Complete Signing button. The document is successfully signed. This is all about replicating form fields to all pages in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.